This morning, I also signed into law a legislation that is going to provide for the independence of our legislature at the county government level. Another milestone in consolidating the place of devolution. Now, county assemblies can work much more effectively, much more efficiently, with independence. And I want to ask county assemblies, wherever they are, you now have the tools, you now have the environment, you have the space, you have the independence to deliver on the mandate assigned to you by the Constitution, by the people of Kenya, of oversight, of making sure that you legislate for what happens in our counties, and making sure that you also provide representation to the people of Kenya at the county government level. We will work with you, and I'm sure county governments are now much more enabled because we are building infrastructure that will support devolution work for the people of Kenya.